Yo, step inside the 35FUN, where adventure and life have just begun. It's a Wildcat ride, it's more than a name. This RV's a legend, it's changing the game. Pack up your crew, hit the open road. Memories waiting, let the good times unfold. With your kids or your wife, it's all about connection. Living this life in a whole new direction. Wildcat fun. Wildcat fun. Wildcat fun. Cruising the highways, feeling the breeze. Wildcat fun puts your mind at ease. Rolling through the valleys, the mountains, the trees. Every turn you take, you're living with ease. Campfire nights and daylight rides. In the Wildcat, you're living with pride. Chilling with the fam, feeling so free. The 35FUN is where you're meant to be. No limits, no rules, just go, go, go. The Wildcats got you ready for the show. It's time to go and hit the open road. It's more than a ride, it's a brand new life. Adventure's calling, bring your kids and your wife. Hey, what's going on, guys? Albert here at Hoover in Laredo, Texas. What you just saw is a 2025 Wildcat 35FUN. Yes, you heard that right. Fun. That's what this Wildcat's all about. It's about you having fun with your family. It's about you creating memories with your family. It's about you living that life that you desire. It's about you burning the marshmallows. It's about you being out in the outdoors. It's about you bonding with your kids, with your daughter, with your son, with your wife, with your parents, out in the middle of nowhere. You're tired, now you can jump in here and make a meal. Now you can jump in here and watch a movie. Now you can jump in here and set the tone. If you want to get cozy, if you want to change the mood, if you want to go red, whatever you want to do, you can do. Beautiful center kitchen island. You got your extender, a swell, double slide out, lots of living space. The bunk room in this unit is in the front. The master suite is in the back. 2 full beds, 3 ACs, day and night roller shades. I mean, I can keep going on with the keep going. Washer and dryer prepped. So there you have it. Give me a call. Let's start that adventure for you and your family. Let's start creating those memories. Let's get you on the road. This is your Wildcat. 512-986-3083. See you soon.